Hello, this is Uwe. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the UT3200 flatbed attachment onto a Cowboy CB-3200. We'll be using the accessory holes on the machine. They are M5 threaded. Sometimes they're a little bit tight. In case they have paint inside, you can use an M5 tap to clean up these threads. So the first step, you remove the existing accessory or the existing throat plate, and then you slide the table in place. There are two M5 screws included with the table attachment. I'm going to just tighten them hand tight so that I can still adjust the table position to align it properly with the feed dog, so that the feed dog is nicely centered in the throat plate opening. So it's still a little bit movable. I'm holding it down and I'm turning the hand wheel to bring up the feed dog, and then I make sure that things are nicely aligned, that I have full range of motion when I flip the lever back and forth. If nothing binds and everything looks good, you can tighten it down all the way. And that is all you should need to do to use this accessory. It is designed for small flat pieces, like this really nice wallet by Don Fransdorf that he sent me. So those are the types of things that you want to use the flatbed attachment for, to work with flat work pieces. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.